Oh, hello. Now, one of the most commonly tackled DIY jobs that people like to do is change the colour of their front door. So, being at the front of your house, you want to make sure you do a good job because first impressions last. Well, today I'm going to show you a quick and easy way of going about it whilst getting a great result at the same time. It's always easiest to remove a door using two people, but if you are going to attempt it by yourself, I always pack up underneath. You could use an old book, I've used some placemats. That way when you take out the last screw, it's not just going to fall down and damage something. Now, when most people attempt to paint their front door, they'd often use a brushed on enamel. But unless you're a professional painter, this can be a really tricky technique to use and you'd end up with really visible brush strokes. So that's why I'll be using the custom spray to eliminate that and get the ultimate finish that anyone can achieve. So the first step is I'm just going to give this door a light sand. All done now, and I've just given the whole door a wipe over with some crud cutter. That way I can eliminate any of the dust left from the sanding, plus any grab points that are commonly used for your hands on the door often leave oily residue on the door itself, which makes paint hard to adhere to. The only thing left to do now is tape up these frosted glass panels, the door hardware and the peephole, and then we can get the painting. We're all taped up now and ready to start spraying. Now, the unique thing about the Custom Spray 5-in-1 is this great little dial at the top which allows you to select from 5 different spray patterns all in the one can. You can tell which spray pattern you've selected by this easy to read key on the back, and that way you know exactly what you're spraying with. Now, with a detailed project like this where you've got some trimmings around the glass, I'm going to select a vertical fan to go around first, and once I've done those, I'll go over the broader area using a high output. Spray 5-in-1 range has 16 different colours that you can choose from. To transform this black door, I've chosen earthy green. Now, all the trims have been painted. It's time to get the body of this door done. So for that, I'm going to change to number 1, which is high output spray, to get it all done. Now, it doesn't matter what this door was painted with previously, whether it be oil-based or water-based paints, because Rust-Oleum Custom Spray 5-in-1 will coat the lot. Now, recoat time is within an hour, so I'm just going to give this half an hour to dry, and while I'm waiting, I might as well tackle another little job. While I wait for the door to dry, this is my little in-between project, which is a great little outdoor setting, and if you haven't owned one of these, chances are your grandma has. And if hers looks anything like this one, it's due for a refresh. So for this, I'll be using Rust-Oleum's Custom Spray 5-in-1 in anodized bronze. Now, being metal furniture, it's been exposed to a lot of weathering over its lifetime. Now, to give it an extra layer of protection, this is perfect because it has stops rust, which means it's just going to stop any further corrosion. Now, this is going on great, and always remember when you are spraying to try and overlap your last pass by about 50%. That way you'll get really great coverage and a really superior finish. Well, they're all done now, and look how good they've come up with just a coat of paint. All done in about 20 minutes, just in time to get the door back in here and get that second coat on. It's time to give the door its second coat now. Now, a great thing about the Rust-Oleum Custom Spray 5-in-1 is its colour retention. Now, this just means it won't fade under Australia's harsh conditions. Well, how good is that? All done in just over an hour and only using a couple of cans of Rust-Oleum spray paint. And we've got a brand new door and a refreshed outdoor setting. Well, speaking of outdoor settings, I think I might go out there now and have a well-earned drink. Might go this way.